Just gotta turn my filters down a bit. Yep, I think that'll do nicely. Right, and stick on View City. Whoa. Oh, wrong one. Okay. Where's Game Maker? There it is. Right, it's been so long since I last touched this. I don't even know if I don't even remember where I left off. I'm pretty sure it was to do with animations. Pretty sure it was that. What? No, it was the act menu. Of course it was. So yeah, that's item consumption. Yeah. Okay. Not even 10 minutes and set variable failed. Line 61. That's this. There we go. Alright. I'm back. Oh, hey Gino Ratch. Good to see you. Right, so that should hopefully resolve the crash. Yup. It resolves the crash, which is great. I have pretty good taste in music. Oh, stop. Thank you, anyway. Right, so the soul doesn't reach the edges, but that's something I can do, like last minute change. Right, now I need the wave to end, so the soul goes back into Chris's body and the menu pops up again. If I remember right, I have already done that. Somewhere. Yeah, it's been a while since I last looked through this code. Initialize, maybe here? Or no, is it this? Oh, okay, so I have to press W for that to happen. Okay. So, do this, then press W. Fab, right. So now we have waves, we have TP, and we have menus. I think now's the time to start looking at attack patterns. So that's the bars at the bottom of the screen. And to do that, I need to be able to attack the enemy. Unfortunately, I don't have such functionality yet. Yup. No functionality there. So that's on my to-do list for next. What about other things? Well, let's just focus on fighting for now. Just little baby steps. So in the menu, we should have targets. Check, yep. Menu 1. That's not what I wanted. Sim menu. MMS. Right, so MMS is yeah, the menu selection. So we need to have these party members attack whatever their target is set to. Maybe another entry in the list is needed for this. Yes, I think so. Let me label these. HP, max HP, attack, defense, and action. So I think for the 13th entry in the list, listed as 12 because it starts at 0, we have a target. Now initially we will set this at -1 because that means no target. So we'll get rid of that for the next one and the next one. So how's everyone doing? Feeling great? Feeling fresh? You were pressing flowers in your gardening book? Because I'm not. How long have I been coding? Since 2012. No, 2011. But I used like the drag and drop Scratch format for 7 years, and then I moved to Game Maker and Unity and Unreal. So that's coming up on 12 years. Hey, that's half of my life. So far, I must add. How am I supposed to code anything if I can't stop yawning for like 5 minutes? terrible nightmare? Oh. Yikes. I hope it doesn't affect you that much. Well, nightmares are nightmares, no matter how minor they are. So now I need to make the fighting bars. I don't think they actually use sprites in the main game. So let's go for how Chaser does it instead. Which, as far as I can tell, yeah, is done with drawn sprites. So I'll probably have to draw those. Yeah, nightmares very often. That's bad. So yeah, I'm gonna have to draw plenty of different sprites, or I could do it how the original game does it. But I'm gonna need a fight bar for this. So how wide is this? 6 by 38. Shower. What? What the hell, Mirai? Welcome, by the way. I don't think these bars change color in the real game. YouTube added reactions. Wait, what? Mono. Gino. Oh. Oh, okay. Right, let me look in the real game for a sec. Deltarune. Fun mode, obviously, because it's fun mode. Oh. Interesting. Right, so just taking a look at the fight sequence. Right, so if we fight with all of them and take a screenshot, then we open it up in Paint, MS Paint, Windows 3, MS Paint, so yeah, oh, hey there. So yeah, they have this trail that it leaves behind. I'm assuming, yeah, once every 2 frames, it leaves behind a trail. Count these pixels. I don't even know if it's actually correct. 1, 2. Oh, goodness me. Oh, because this is like double the size, isn't it? Yeah, it is. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh wow. So yeah, that's what the final product will look like. So, oh, hang on, I need to do some measuring. Let me save this real quick. Give it a random name. open it up in Medibang so I can have an easier time trying to measure it. Medibang Paint Pro, reset transform. Okay, so is this actually 38? Yes, because it's double the size. It's half the size of it. Oh no, that looks hideous. Right, we'll just have to halve our calculations. Ah, the power of colours, it makes everything appear offset. Right, so how wide is this? 123. So let me put that in a notepad. Bar width, 123. And the height of this thing is, what was it? 38. What about this thing here? And the height is the same. So what about these divider sections? How long are these? .452 divided by 2, that's 226. Is it really that long? Jesus. Yeah, 226. So that's how it's good. Now to draw the UI. Now of course we're not going to spawn anything. We're just going to make it draw the things. We're using math on calculate. What do you mean? I had a setup somewhere. Can't remember where I put it. Battle menu, maybe. Yes, player events. So that's fight, item and things. So yeah, battle order. That's what it does. So then it goes through the list and then it goes down to here. Battle order 4. I don't know how I'm going to approach doing them in that order, considering you have to wait for dialogue to disappear and animations to finish, but that's something that can be done later. So current battle, if we start at defend, so after the list has been exhausted, yeah, player events. So we don't want to create the bullet board just yet. We do need a tracker though here. It is player waves, isn't it? I'm not tripping. Yeah, no, player events. So then we check each party member's action. So now we set to current battle nothing. So if it is set to nothing, then we just set it to defend. Well, that's not really going to do anything, is it? Act. So if that is equal to act, we do that in order. No, it isn't. Everyone will be talking about it if that was the case. I can fact check this by going to the website, and no, there's nothing there about a release date yet. Plus, they're already finishing up Chapter 3. They've still got to work on 4 and 5 next. Doesn't come out that quickly. These things take time. Well, actually, I think for act we can ignore that for now because we're not checking any acts yet. Next one down the list, mercy. Wait, does mercy come first, or do items come first? Time to fact check again. So let's have Chris use the club sandwich, Susie spares, and Rousey has a dart burger. Oh! Okay, so it just goes in order of player, it doesn't matter. Alright, okay, so item and sparing have the same priority. Just to check. That's a bit difficult to explain. Well, what if Rousey has like a team healing item, like the top cake? Nope. It just still goes in order. So I could have just put these things in order then. Let's search if there's any thing for mercy. There is. But not in terms of battle order. text color in white, you need to define it. So you check for a key after a symbol, and depending on that key, that's what you set your color to. So yeah, that's how it works mainly. Mercy, an item we can leave alone, I think. For now. Now. Fight. So for nothing, we're just going to go straight to fight, because these two here can be ignored. So now we need to make the fight menu itself. That's going to be a bit tricky. So from 368, 38. That only takes you to the bottom of the screen. No, that doesn't take you to the bottom of the screen. What am I saying? Oh yeah, and we also need the press text as well. So I need to find that in here. Is it under UI anywhere? Quitting. I found quitting. Yeah, there are 3 sprites in here. They're the exact same. Oh! Oh, so they are drawn then. Yeah, 38, see? I was right. So now, draw sprite. Switch. No, not that. So in the case of Chris, we need a checker. Let's call it No! Don't do that. Stupid little blurredly cuckoo. Head Chris. 0. Is it centered? It is not centered. How big is it again? 24. Let's take away from either edges, so we have to plus 7 to either of them. So that's 375 plus mid times 38. Yeah, and that plus is regardless. Susie. Ralsei. Noel. So now let's take a look and see if that actually does something. Not yet. That's bad news. So let's sort that out first. PMS 12 is AMS. So now it should keep track. Or maybe not. No, don't. Okay, so now they're all fighting, but nothing's happening. I need to find where that thing gets set. Player events. That's drawn up here, yeah. So now we need to show debug message, cow. Move that to the side so I can take a look at the console. Yep, it's doing something. But, right, so, cow jumps over the moon. Move that to the side again. Okay, so it is actually doing something, but we don't see it. I think it's because it's below everything else. So I need to move it above the thing. That was a dumb move on my end. Yep. Okay, got the 3 heads. Awesome. Now to do the tricky part, which is to draw the bars. So looking back at the picture, yeah, none of the heads are being set to icons, which is rather strange. But that's something I can fix later on. It doesn't matter now. Just have to get something working. So how wide are the heads again? 32. So if we plus that by 36, press. So then we should have the press icons. If Noelle defends. Yeah, okay. So that works. What if Susie defends? Yep, that works too. Awesome. So now to draw the bars, the rectangles. If I remember right, it sets it based on where the bar is. Does it? I'm actually not sure. It's a little visual thing. Right. Draw set color. See blue. A double thick rectangle, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Can I set thickness for the rectangle? No, I cannot. I can draw line widths, but that's going to take up a bit more space. So I set this to, let's say, 90, and the width of the bar itself is... Let's just get this one out of the way first. So the bar width is 123, so that's 213, and the height of this thing is 38, so that puts it to 406. Yep, so make it an outline. And then we draw another one, bang in the middle, with a little less thickness. Say aqua. Susie's is purple and fuchsia. Rouse is green with lime, and Noelle is yellow and cream. There's no colour here that makes that a thing, so let's make it ourselves. Yep, cool. Alright. So now let's take a look at it. Oh god, that doesn't look very nice at all. Well, I mean, it's a little bit accurate, but it's not very accurate. subtract 1 from each of the y variables. And the hit area is only 10 wide. So this becomes 101, this becomes 101, this becomes 101, and this becomes 101. So now let's take a look. That's better, I guess. But it's still not 100%. How does Deltarune do it? No, don't open this again. No, go away, get off my screen. Right, let's look in the data wing file of Deltarune. Fun mode, Chaos Edition. So it's under battle controller, I know that much. So what exactly does it do? Nothing here about it. But that's fine, I'm a visual learner, so I can probably figure it out by memory. Right, so subtract 1 again from each of these. Slightly better, but Noel goes off screen. That's not what I want. Is there such a thing as rectangle width? Let me look it up. Set the outline width. There is no built-in way to do this. Okay, so let's just work on 1 for now, and we'll come back to that. We'll keep the colours. Keep the colours. We don't want to get rid of those. Let's do Chris's one first, because theirs is going to be the trickiest. So let's do it this way. So 92, that becomes 102. And then 93, this becomes 101. That becomes 368. No, why is it drawing it? Oh, that's okay, that's inward. Never mind. Okay, that's more accurate. Now I just need to do it with the rest of them. So copy the first one first. I'll tidy this up in a minute and check it out now. I would say no to this for several reasons. The blue line obstructs the lower half of the thingamajig around the top of the menu, and Noelle's one is not fully visible. So some tampering is needed. So this becomes 370. That comes up a notch. Let's take a look at it now. Yes, that is more suitable. Oh. Okay, that is really close to the original. And I'd probably argue and to say it's better. But in the original, they're more grouped up. But honestly, I don't think it really matters. I don't know. It's a bit tricky. A little back, which way? Well, now that's what I wanted to do so far, for now. We can tamper with it later. Let's say fights stage. So now to get the bars. So we're going to give it a dead zone of 80. Because that's basically where it cuts off if you try and hit it late. That's a bit too late, maybe. So how late is too late? Right. Okay, so just after they pass outside the boundaries, that's when they disappear. So let's go 86 then. 86. We'll give them priority. eyeball? No. So for each one that we have here, we'll generate a new one. Thing is though, the arrangement of the bars is quite random. I'm trying to see if there's any such thing as what's it called again in the game's code? Press. Ah, attack press. Okay. So yeah, it's randomized. And you can never hit it way too early. So it assigns points based on distance. Tricky, eh? So the origination point of the bars will probably be 420? Should I say 420? Yes. So there, bar width, 420. Actually, no, go 420 plus 20 times random. Actually, no, 30 times random. 6, maybe. Excuse me, YouTube. You gonna work properly? Or you're just gonna be a dummy. It always does this. I'll just reset the mix. No, come on! Right, where was I? Oh yeah, this. Working, so right, so it should generate the bars, except it didn't. Oh yeah, because I didn't initialize the things from it. Whoops. Oh no, no! don't do that. Okay, maybe that's a little bit too extreme. Okay, that looks more like a reasonable setup. Except they don't line up. So let's try again. That's a lot better. Now to get them to move. So H speed, I'll say -1. They're moving at a snail's pace. Let's move it. Okay, -2. Still not good enough. -3. That's probably too fast. Oh, that's actually very reminiscent of the original. I think I can worry about the trick things later. Right, so the perfect zone is between what? So 91 is the perfect zone. Maybe no, 92. So yeah, 92 to 102. So I'd say between 88 and 96. So it gives you a score based on how far you're off away from the center. So perfect X is 92. Abs perfect X minus X is under 5. No, 6. Then yeah, we need a point system for this. So that's trying to think. Yeah, let's make a points array. So points. 5 bar. don't add a breakpoint. So the points here is 160. That's the highest it can get. Sets the HP to 0, and then it fades out. So late and hit. Perfect. False. So perfect here. Hit true. Just make it 4. X is under perfect X -2. Then it's a late hit and not a perfect hit. Hittable. So hittable is X over dead zone, and X is under dead zone plus 130. Well, actually, no, the point resetting thing can be ignored. Then we just check if it's a miss or not. I'm making a Deltarune engine. Oh. Okay, so the latest one is hit first. That's not how this works. Okay, priority 9999. I know exactly how to fix this. Okay. See if this works then. Nothing happened. Oh. It did -3, so it was +ing 3. Okay, and it still does it for the top one. That's not good. Why isn't it working? Okay. New plan. Put the code in here. And if it can be done, then set the thing to red. Otherwise, set it to pardon me, white. It's not doing anything. No, it's not doing anything. Alright, let's try it now. Yeah, none of them turn red. That's not good. Oh, what am I doing? This stupid thing just doesn't want to. No. I sound like a fire engine. Yeah, they don't turn red. So we have a problem. Under global priority. Let's put it under it. Oh, why did it stop 2 of them? That's not what was meant to happen. Why did it... Okay, I know why. Okay, so it does 2 of them at the same time, which is rather worrying. So in this case, just set it to minus 10,000. like either. Well, actually, I suppose I could check the... Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. No. No. With a legit... Global priority 99999. So yeah, that allows two of them to be hit at the same time, which is great. No, 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 no. Right, now let's see if it works. God damn it, all the hell. So that does something. Of course, I need to put it in here. Little dummy brain doesn't understand. Why is it set all the way over there? No, 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 no. Why didn't it work? Oh, I know why I haven't. Okay. It's doing this again. And that's better. It's going to do it with all of them. Gee, this is proving to be tough. Or maybe... New idea. No. Hit. Dolo. Shit. Right, now I need the condition of whether or not it checks for what? No, I lost it. No, I have to rewrite it out again. Shit. I am very tired. Right. Priority 999. Then after that we check again. So 2 with checks. Bang. What? Alright, well, sort of reliable, a little bit messy, but that's better. That's a far better system than I could have thought of, to be honest. Let's check the perfect dollar what ear. Dollo. Wait, did I land all of them perfectly? Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. It just landed 3 frame perfect inputs in a row. That was really weird. Oh, almost did it again. Man, I'm so good at precision. Right, let's try hitting it a little bit early. All that could happen. I think they do need to be a bit wider though. Yeah, they need to be a bit wider. Fancy that. That's ridiculous. Oh. Not hit. Why does this still exist? Oh, I need it. Do I need it? No, 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 no. Okay, why isn't it working? Maybe in here. Still doesn't. What? Oh, okay. I think that's good. For now, anyway. If I put it central, I can make it expand. Plus 19, 387. It's randomized. So, what's the middle of the thing again? Is it here? must be. $97. So that'll be 217. Oh, smack dab in the middle on the last one. What? I definitely did not hit them that way. Oh, that's why that happened. Okay, well, I don't know then. It's not being funny. What if I just remove this entirely? Yeah, they always end up at the same spot. That's not what's supposed to happen, you know? It's not meant to happen like that. Okay, that's more realistic. That fixes that issue. Maybe lessen this just a little bit. So now let's try hitting one. Okay, so one of them didn't get hit. Because it was past the dead zone. I'm okay with that. And now let's make it disappear upon being hit. I don't know why removing this piece of code here messes with it. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, okay. So what if I remove this check, then? Okay. So that's no problem then. Change image alpha by this. X scale by this. And Y scale, maybe a little bit like that. They get a bit bigger than that. Almost double their size, I think. Perfect. Well, almost perfect. Yeah, landing a perfect is very tricky on 60 FPS. So let's go under 5 instead. No, 7. And reverse that. Awesome. think next on the list should be to work on enemy damage and transition to the battle phase. Ow. So that will be fun. Oh yeah, and I need to make it so that if it goes outside the zone, then it needs to disappear. So if under dead zone, then just disappear. They disappear a lot faster than that, I think. Almost instantly. Yup. Fab. So set points to 0 there. And I think we'll set it to red as well. That's what the original should do. Turn red if it misses. Right, what if all of them, by chance, happen to land on the exact same time? All of them go off in one press. Fabulous. I think that'll do it for now. I'll probably come back to this later. If not, then I'll do it tomorrow. In the meantime, I'm gonna have some hot food. Some hot leftovers. Thanks for tuning in. See you either later or tomorrow. Peace.